Hi, everyone. I landed from San Francisco a few hours ago. I'm very excited to be here. Thank you, Marco, and the team that invited me here. I'm Chen Levanon. I'm the co-founder and CEO of SimilarTech. SimilarTech is a big data company. We provide sales insights to B2B companies to make better decisions based on technology adoption insights. So, for those who are wondering about the name, we are a spin-off from SimilarWeb. In 2014, we started a company, and we built our infrastructure. And in 2016, we started selling data dump to small companies about their competition. And then we realized that we have a lot of data, and we have a lot of insights. And that's where, when we launched our sales insight platform, we call it SIP. We provide companies with sales insights, and I'll elaborate more later. And as of now, we have 4 offices. I'm based in San Francisco, the headquarters here in Tel Aviv. We also have offices in Brazil and in Japan. We more than doubled our ARR. We are a spin-off, no external funds yet, and we are profitable. And so, before I dive into SimilarTech, I want to speak more about the sales tech industry. I don't know if you're familiar with those numbers, but I think that what's nice to mention is that in reality, 60% of sales team do not meet their quota. It's insane. Companies in 2017 invested around $10,000 per salesperson for training and about $6,000 per salesperson for sales tools. And yet, more than 50% don't believe in sales training, and more than 60% do not meet their quota. So, it's supposed to be a video. Yeah, we all know that this is like sales. I don't know how much you're familiar with sales, but sometimes you speak with your sales team, and they're happy, they love their family, they love their coworkers, they love their work. And then the next day, they hate their family, they hate their work, and they hate their co-workers. And we're in SimilarTech want to minimize those unhappy days. So, how do we do that? We scan more than 30 billion web pages a month. We monitor and analyze more than 300 million domains. And we help companies to get more data and better data to make better decisions. So I don't know if you know, but everyone is talking about it in Silicon Valley, that 2018, it's all about personalization. So everyone is sending tons of emails. Everyone is sending a lot of emails. I'm sure like every morning you wake up and you see a lot of messages in LinkedIn and emails. But when you have the right data, the right people, and in the right time, this is where you are golden. So SimilarTech helps to find you with the right prospects, not to spend time on irrelevant prospects. And most importantly, that I'll elaborate later, we help you to find the new greenfield opportunities that before your competitors. So, how does it work? We provide you with comparison about technology, the trends, who's using what, when they added it, when they removed it, the market share. We provide you with real-time alerts. So sometimes I get emails from our customers. Oh, we saw that you stopped using this and this by using SimilarTech. And it's amazing because you find the right time to approach your prospects. We provide you with report analysis. So in this example, we checked Yotpo's customers, and we found high correlation in the correlated technology that 32% use Apple Pay, 48% use cart functionality, 36% use Shopify. So the next search Yotpo should do is not even to look at their competitors. It's to look at who's using Shopify, which is marketing automation, and not yet use rating and reviews, like their categories. We help you to find the right prospects, and website analysis, the history, the last 3 to 4 years of history when they added and removed technologies. So I always find it very interesting to provide you with a use case so you'll understand better what we're doing. So I mentioned before about personalization. So everyone is talking about personalization, and that's why I thought that it will be nice to talk about the live chat industry. So when Wizby came to us, they, 3 years ago, they were kind of pioneer in this field because they offered live video chatting. So the first thing that they did is to look at the industry. So in the top 10K sites, you see the leaders, and Zendesk, obviously, in live person. They see when they edited, they see the trends, they see the main competitors, the main players. So live video chat was kind of at the beginning a few years ago, so it's easy to go to live chat industry. They found in the last year, you can see the growth in the top 10K sites, 100K and 1 million. Obviously, it's the right industry to be in. But what's interesting to see that when they looked at the live chat industry in the US, they found high correlation with companies that use Marketo, marketing automation. So the next search they need to do, who's using Marketo or other marketing automation tools and have not yet used live chat technology. And interesting enough, they found few new verticals that they should pursue. Automotive, finance, retail, e-commerce, and telecommunication. So 3 years later, only by using SimilarTech, they identified 40,000 new leads, discovered and moved into 3 new verticals, and increased their sales team by 10-fold. But most importantly, they became #1 global provider of live video chat. So before I finish my presentation, I do want to emphasize one thing. We as companies or founders, and even myself, we find ourselves that we run after our competitors all the time and after our competition. But what if we will use the right tools to find our greenfield opportunities or blue ocean or whatever you want to call it, and not chase after our competition, but find new verticals, new market, and new industries we should pursue after. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I'm here if you have any question. Thanks.
Very much, Chen. Thank you so much.